Okay, so here is the best way to fix iOS 26 draining battery on iPhone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, you simply need to go to settings, and inside settings what you need to do is just head over to general. Once you start general, you need to go to background app refresh and you need to turn off background app refresh. Once this is turned off, you need to go back and you need to just scroll down until you find the option of Face ID and passcode. You need to put in your passcode to access that, and right over here you need to scroll down until you see the option of Siri. You need to turn off Siri and live activities. So Siri is actually dependable, but you simply need to turn off live activities. Now privacy and security, and inside privacy and security you need to turn off your location services. It basically depends on you. If you want to choose any specific apps or turn off the option or itself, now you need to go to system services and make sure you turn off home accessories and just copy whatever I'm turning off, and you need to go to significant location and routes. You need to turn that off as well. And yeah, once you do that, you have to go back and you need to go to accessibility. Once you're inside accessibility, you need to go to motion, and right over here you have to turn off this option right over here. Which this does, it saves pretty battery, and it uses less motion. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.